Look, it's a beaver. I don't know if you can focus on that. See her or him? Saw me coming and changed course. Let's see if I can get a little closer. Oh, I was just wondering why it didn't take off. And then it did. Splish splash. I hope it doesn't splish splash me right out of my kayak. Anyway, I'm at Cochiti Lake. It's a gorgeous Sunday evening. I'm out here doing some photography, so that was fortuitous for me to see. I think I caught a few pictures of it. Of course, I didn't have my real close-up lens, but happy to see it at all. It's cute that it took so long to dive underwater. I'm curious to see. Oh, there it is. See it come up? Right out there. Not too far away. Probably just enjoying the weather as much as I am. Pretty sure it's a beaver. In fact, I'm 98% positive. You ever seen a beaver in the wild? You don't get to that often, really. I saw him as a kid, maybe once or twice, even though I grew up around a lot of beavers. So that's kind of lucky. I'm Angel, by the way. Thanks for stopping by. Let's see if I can get closer. You can check out the description for ways you can connect with me. Love it if you give me a thumbs up. Ciao for now. Oh, squee. There's actually a second beaver over there. Even a third, I'm pretty sure. Not sure if this thing is still... Yep. There's at least 3 out here with me. Probably a pair or a mom and a child. You see that one going out toward each other? Those two, I mean. This one I just saw. Kind of see by the water streaks. Nope, they're passing each other. Just kind of circling. Let's see if I can get any closer. Well, I ended up just drifting further away. Figured I'd just leave the beaver family alone. There's at least 3 of them over there, maybe more. Hanging out, having a happy beaver time. Hope you're having a happy beaver time as well. Ciao.